Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to change text size on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change text size on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening the Telegram, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you will land over here where you can see the chat settings option available for us just above the privacy and security. Tap on chat settings again, and over here you can see there it says the message text size. Now in order to change your text size on Telegram, you can see your slider available for us. If you slide it to the right, guys, you can see the text size will be increased, and if you slide it to the left, the text size will decrease. And you can see the demo on the picture over here. Now adjust the slider according to your preferred text size, and that way, guys, your text on the Telegram chat will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change text size on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.